when a teacher leaves the profession after 30, 35, 36, however many years, they are completely forgotten. Oh, we're here to impact lives. Okay, cool. I get that. But check out this post just here. So this is the post I shared about what happens, and it's got quite a few. It's got over 3K views, 602 comments, a lot of views. Look, just check it out. As you can see, I don't know what I'm looking at just here really, but it's those are the stats just there. Almost 300,000 views just here. And if we have a little look at the view time, it's been 12 days. So 12 days of total view time, almost 13. And the reason why I'm sharing this for is because it's kicked off. There's a lot of people that agree with what I say, and there's a lot of people that don't. There's more people that agree with what I say. There's a lot of people that are saying, don't help me, I need to break out. But have a quick look at all of these for me. So this person just here said, true for most jobs, but the students, they remember you live for them. What the actual fuck? No. Teachers that do that are martyrs. Don't do that. Oh my God. So you're going to put your own children behind over there in another realm, and you're going to look after other people's kids. That's weird. That's weird. And there's something not psychologically correct with you, like an incessant need to be needed and be wanted and be significant, as Tony Robbins says. Ugh, be needed by your own kids, not other people's kids. Next one just here. I worked for 25 years as a teacher. All I got was a bunch of flowers and a lame goodbye. It's not about getting something, but it's about the appreciation. Back in COVID times, I felt it, but it disappeared quickly. Now I'm working in juvenile healthcare. Yeah, great. Cool. So this person obviously didn't feel appreciated. Then we've got this one just here. Some of those kids become our loved ones. Excuse me? Okay. Over the years, students and families who were once strangers become massive parts of our lives. Get your own family. Teachers that are impacted and leave a legacy behind grow their families every single year. Right. Okay. Understandable. Then look at this. I think everyone needs to stop jumping to conclusions. Teaching is just a job. And what's job? An acronym for just over broke. Our students should not come before our own loved ones. Thank you, Mindy. And they certainly should not come before self-care and well-being. We do care about our students, yes, but we should invest everything back into sacrificing. Yeah, we shouldn't invest in sacrificing our own physical and mental well-being. Absolutely. So this person is completely spot on, completely correct. These are the people that are just saying, oh, well, I'm so glad. Somebody said, I'm so glad that you've left teaching. You probably got fired. Okay, I didn't, but thank you. And somebody says, oh, no offense, but it's probably better you're out of the education system if you're not. Okay. These people are just martyrs, and they don't have the confidence to stand up for themselves, and they don't have the confidence to do something they love to do, or they've just been completely indoctrinated into the system, and they are called NPCs, okay? Non-player characters, NPCs in life. For me personally, and the amazing community that I've got of actually incredible people, ex-teachers that are now impacting kids' lives more so than a teacher ever could. I'm not even sorry to say that. Life coaching them is insane. It's astronomical what they're doing. So with these posts, if you are going to post, just remember you're probably going to get some heat, and that's okay. But you're going to get a lot of love. And I got so much love. I probably got 95% love and 5% people with poorly minds that feel like they have to be martyrs, or feel like they have to say their 2 cents, or feel like they're not borderline jealous. Because if they weren't, this is the thing, if people weren't jealous with that, they wouldn't have commented. They wouldn't have commented. They would have said, no, he's right. Okay. And I feel that. And I really want to get out because I'm being abused and I'm burnt out, you know? But anyway, if you're a teacher, what do you think? Have I gone too far with this, or is that normal? Let me know in the comments.